The Colombo Magistrate Court has summoned the complaint filed against MP Namal Rajapaksa and others for allegedly amassing a fortune of 15 million rupees while serving as a member of parliament. The case, which has raised eyebrows across Sri Lanka, was brought before Chief Magistrate Thanuja Lakmali Jayatunga today. As the courtroom buzzed with anticipation, the suspects, including the high-profile Namal Rajapaksa, made their appearance before the bench. The atmosphere was tense as all eyes focused on the proceedings, eager to hear the latest developments in this controversial case. In a surprising turn of events, the Criminal Investigation Department informed the court that it has yet to receive crucial instructions from the Attorney General regarding the ongoing investigation. This revelation cast a shadow of uncertainty over the proceedings, leaving many to wonder about the potential implications for the case. Responding to this unexpected development, Magistrate Jayatunga took decisive action. She ordered that the complaint be summoned again on January 29th, demonstrating her commitment to seeing the case through to its conclusion. Additionally, the magistrate sent reminders to expedite the Attorney General's instructions, underscoring the importance of moving forward with the investigation in a timely manner. It is worth noting that this case against Namal Rajapaksa and for other accused individuals was initially brought to court during the previous good governance regime. The charges, filed under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA), have since become a focal point of public interest and debate. The allegations surrounding Namal Rajapaksa's sudden rise to wealth have captivated the nation, sparking intense discussions about political integrity and financial transparency. Many are left wondering, how did a young politician manage to accumulate such substantial wealth without engaging in traditional employment? Namal Rajapaksa, the eldest son of former President Mahinda Rajapaksa, has long been a figure of intrigue in Sri Lankan politics. His rapid ascent to prominence and apparent financial success have raised questions about the source of his wealth and the potential misuse of political influence for personal gain. Critics argue that Rajapaksa's position as a member of parliament provided him with unique opportunities to leverage his connections and insider knowledge for financial benefit. They point to the Rs. 15 million investment in question as just one example of how political power can be transformed into personal wealth. Supporters of Rajapaksa, however, maintain that his success is the result of astute business acumen and legitimate investments. They argue that the young politician has been unfairly targeted due to his family name and political affiliations. As the case continues to unfold, it has become a lightning rod for broader discussions about corruption, nepotism, and the concentration of wealth among political elites in Sri Lanka. Many citizens are closely following the proceedings, hoping for greater transparency and accountability in the political system. The investment at the center of this controversy has sparked intense scrutiny of Rajapaksa's financial dealings. Investigators are reportedly examining a complex web of transactions and business relationships to determine the origin and legitimacy of the funds used for the investment. Legal experts have weighed in on the case, highlighting the challenges of prosecuting alleged financial crimes involving high-profile political figures. They note that such cases often require extensive forensic accounting and can take years to resolve, testing the patience of the public and the resolve of the justice system. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act, under which Rajapaksa and his co-accused have been charged, is a powerful legal tool designed to combat financial crimes and corruption. Its application in this high-profile case is being watched closely by legal observers and anti-corruption advocates alike. As the January 29th court date approaches, speculation is rife about what new information or evidence might come to light. Will the Attorney General's office provide the long-awaited instructions to the Criminal Investigation Department? And what impact will those instructions have on the trajectory of the case? The outcome of this legal battle could have far-reaching implications for Sri Lankan politics and the ongoing fight against corruption. A conviction would not only tarnish Rajapaksa's political career, but could also serve as a warning to other politicians about the consequences of financial impropriety. On the other hand, if Rajapaksa is cleared of wrongdoing, it could bolster his political standing and potentially pave the way for a more prominent role in the country's leadership. Such an outcome would likely be met with mixed reactions, further polarizing public opinion on issues of political accountability and justice. As the case progresses, it continues to shine a spotlight on the complex relationship between wealth and power in Sri Lankan society. Many citizens are calling for greater scrutiny of politicians, financial affairs, and stricter enforcement of anti-corruption laws. The allegations against Namal Rajapaksa have also reignited debates about political dynasties and their influence on the country's governance. Critics argue that the concentration of power within a few prominent families undermines democratic principles and perpetuates a cycle of privilege and impunity. Regardless of the eventual outcome, this case has already had a significant impact on public discourse in Sri Lanka. It has forced citizens to confront uncomfortable questions about the nature of success in politics and the true cost of rapid wealth accumulation among the political elite. As the nation awaits the next chapter in this unfolding legal drama, one thing is clear: the case against Namal Rajapaksa has become more than just a matter of alleged financial impropriety. It has evolved into a litmus test for Sri Lanka's commitment to transparency, accountability, and the rule of law. The eyes of the nation remain fixed on the Colombo Magistrate's Court, eagerly anticipating the revelations and rulings that January 29th may bring. Whatever the outcome, this case is likely to leave an indelible mark on Sri Lanka's political landscape, shaping public perceptions and influencing the course of future anti-corruption efforts for years to come.